Hi, Joanne here, and I want to talk to you about the 4 ways that you can own precious metals here in Canada. If you are new to my channel, this channel is about investing in physical gold and silver here in Canada, be it directly or in registered accounts such as RRSPs and tax-free savings accounts. So, let's get started. The very first and easiest way to own gold or silver is to own the physical item in your personal possession. And the physical item could be coins or bars. And the coins, can be round or they can actually be collectible coins, right? Another way that's a little bit untraditional, but like for myself, where I'm from the Caribbean, is quite common, is that you can choose to own gold or silver in jewelry and then melt it down to trade it. All right. So if you're looking to own gold or silver in coins, there are lots of dealers across Canada that you can approach. I recommend one called Regal Assets. I know them very well. I have used them personally myself, and they allow you not only to use gold to invest in gold and silver directly, but also in your RRSP and tax-free savings account, which is quite unique still here in Canada. But be aware that there's a difference in terms of market price for gold and silver if it's in a fashion jewelry, if it's in a collectible coin, just a regular round. So you got to be cognizant of the different price points per ounce and recognize the different strategies, and perhaps consider diversification and having some of your investment in coin and some of them in bars to allow you that flexibility. Okay. The other quick thing I want to say is that if you hold it physically in your possession, if it's in your home, then you want to make sure to check in with your home insurance policy holder to make sure that if for whatever reason that item is stolen or lost, that it is insured under your homeowner policy. Similarly, if you take those precious metals and keep them in a safety deposit box, recognize that the bank does not offer insurance of the contents in your safety deposit box, and similarly those contents would have to be insured under a separate policy or an addendum to your home insurance policy. So that's number one. Number two, you can use a trustee to store your physical gold or silver with. So you do buy it, but someone holds it in a secure facility for you, right? And that's what Regal Assets actually allows you to do. You can either purchase it directly and get it shipped directly to you really quickly, or we have storage facilities in Calgary and Toronto that offer really secure storage for precious metals. Number three, you can invest in gold or silver through purchase of a company. And you can purchase a share in a company directly, or you can purchase a share in a mutual fund that invests in precious metal companies, be it companies who refine it, be it companies that mine it, or you can invest in ETF, exchange traded funds, again, a vehicle that invests in companies. Sorry, my nose is a little bit stuffed up there, forgive me. Just be aware that when you're looking to invest in a company, different types of precious metal companies, i.e. the different point of rawness to final product, there's different risk levels. So you want to be careful to understand this company, which is in mining, think about the geographical risk, think about the risk in regards to its operations, review the financial statements, understand clearly what you're getting involved with. For example, in the past couple of years, quite a few mining companies have struggled with keeping their cost of production at a reasonable point to make their operations profitable. Also, quite a few of them have issues with labor relations or heavy regulation, depending on which country they're in, by the government. You also have to be very careful, be it if you're looking to invest directly in a company or divest in a fund that there is quite a bit of fraud there. And actually, I'm going to include a link to a report about the different types of frauds that can happen when you're investing in precious metals, just so you understand and know how to avoid those when you're looking for a good dealer to work with, when you're looking for a group perhaps to join to invest as a group in these precious metals. All right, so number one, you can buy it yourself and hold it physically yourself in your home or in a safety deposit box. Number two, you can buy it and have somebody else hold it and secure it for you. Number three, you can invest in a company that is in some way or in part of a stage in precious metals, be it mining, be it a jeweler, be it a refinery, be it directly in the company, be it through a mutual fund or an exchange traded fund. The fourth and final one isn't as common, but there are companies that allow you to invest in precious metals by having your banking backed. So rather than having your banking backed by the fiat currency or cash, you actually have a set of gold, and your bank balance reduces the set of gold based on what you spend, transfer in and out. And one of the companies that is really well known, well trusted, well regarded in this sector is Gold Money. Actually, you know what? I honestly don't know of any other that does it. There likely is, but the one that I know of, I've personally used and experienced is Gold Money. They actually have an app for smartphones too. So rather than using a traditional banking system, which is actually backed by debt, is you banking that's backed by that real asset, gold or silver. So those are your four ways. I'm going to include links if you're looking to purchase gold or silver in a registered account, or you want to learn more about having someone store it professionally for you in a secure facility, and include a link to the Regal Assets free gold kit. I'll also include a link about all the different scams that can occur within the gold industry, so you are educated and you know what to avoid. And I'll include a link as well to Gold Money so you can check that out. It might be novel, maybe it's the first time you're hearing about this type of banking that is available, and it is. And it may be the wave of the future. All right, Joanne here. Hope that was of value. I welcome any questions or comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.